Hey guys, that's something I want to show you guys. So I just bought this fuse from Amazon. So the reason why I bought this fuse is my car interior lights goes up. I don't know what happened. So it just goes off. It's not turning on. I don't know what happened. So yeah, so I think I discovered maybe something happened to the fuse. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the interior light fuse. You know, I'm just gonna show you direct where the car fuse located. So so this is Hyundai Elantra 2013. So I will show you where the fuse located. So how to take it out and how to replace it. You know. So next thing you're gonna do, just look the left side of the driver's seat. So that's a cover right there. So it's fuse OBD blah blah blah, I don't know. So you just open it up, you see. So those are the fuse. So it's for the fuse for interior light or sound, AC, like everything in the car. So that is their fuse. So I'm gonna show you how to recognize different fuse. So I show you right now. So you look at the back of the cover. This is the cover. So you see, so this is the cover. So you just look exactly the one you want to do. So right now I want to deal with the interior lamp, which is 10A. Yeah, this is the interior lamp. So this is what I want to deal with. So for it to be easy for you, you count it from here. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2. So from left side is number 2. For if you count it from the top, it's number 4. 1 2 3 4. So we're gonna take this fuse out. Then I'm gonna replace it with the new one I bought from Amazon. So these are the fuse. So I just bought this. It's kind of different color. So the interior light fuse is red. So I'm gonna take one of this red. Then I'm gonna take the one there out. So I'm gonna replace it. Then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Let's see, maybe it's gonna work out too. I wanna show you how to take the fuse out. So you pop up the bonnet right here. So after popping the bonnet up, there you go, that's right. So after opening it, that's up. So just go to the right side, That's a bus right here. Open the bus. So this is another fuse. So you're gonna see a white little clip. Just press the clip. Take it out. So this is the clip you're gonna use to take off the fuse. See, so this is where the clip is. So you take it out. So this is the fuse I bought. I'm just gonna take one out. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take it out, put it in right now. here with him. Can you see? So I'm gonna put it into the space. See that? So I think the light is on right now. Can you see that? Yeah. So I changed the fuse. So it's working right now. So guys, these are the common things you need to have inside your car. Like in case of emergency, if anything can happen on freeway, your air conditioner can go off, anything can happen, you just take one of the fuse, just replace it, just look the direction, like exactly what you want to replace. So look at it, then take it off, put it by yourself instead of spending a lot of money at workshop. So if this video helps you, please subscribe, like, share for other people to see. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm gonna post another video. Just make sure you click on the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you're gonna receive a notification. Okay, so thank you, but don't forget to put back this clip to where I took it up. So I'm gonna show you how. So to put it back, it's pretty easy, just press it, then put it back to the space. That's all. Cover. There we go.